So what's the best trading tool to use? My favorite tool to use for performing technical analysis is TradingView. I've been using this tool for stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. You can sign up for a free account at tradingview.com. But I'd recommend you going for a paid plan because it allows you to set up email alerts so you can get into or get out of the market at the right time. This is important especially when you want to make more profits by buying low and selling high, as well as protect your money before the price drops. I personally use the Pro plan, which costs $15 a month. It allows me to add up to 5 indicators per chart, 5 chart layouts, 10 email alerts with unlimited watch lists, and indicator templates. A free account allows you to add up to 3 indicators per chart, only 1 watch list, and only 1 chart layout. This can be limiting, but if you're a complete beginner, it's totally fine, and you can sign up for a paid plan later. So using a free or a paid plan depends on your trading needs. If you want more flexibility, you can go for a paid plan. And I think it's worth it for the price of $15 a month or about 50 cents a day.